Hey guys, Erica with a K here, another makeup tutorial brought to you by my palette that I always use called Your Shades, and it's from Amazon. I'm pretty sure it is sold out. It's in my affiliate link, but let's go through this. It's going to be really quick, and I did change up the way I filmed this one, so let me know what you guys think. So we're going to start off with the usual concealer, and we're going to pat it down with the Beauty Blender. Then we're going to go in with a nice brown color as like kind of a transitional color. We're going to go in and we're going to put some black in the corners, which you guys know I love to do. Pump it in, pump it up, take a brush and just kind of blend it so that it opens up the eye a little bit. Then we're going to go in with like a pinkish shimmer shade. You guys know I do looks like this pretty often. These are generally the looks that like when I want to feel a little fancy going to work, that's what I do. And then you guys have seen me do this a million times. You guys know how it goes. We're going to do some tinted moisturizer. We're going to do some eyeliner. We're going to brush through those brows. We're going to put on some more concealer underneath, set that down. We're going to put on some bronzer, we're going to put on some blush, we're going to do our lashes, and that is that. I hope you guys like these videos. If you guys are here from TikTok, hey, thanks so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you're not here from TikTok and you just found this video, go follow me for some really fun makeup videos on TikTok. All right, love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys later. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye, guys.